So generally speaking, I don't talk a lot about European windows because in a lot of the customs builds that I've done is all European windows, because the North American market hasn't really perfected some of the points here. So again, going back to this one, this looks like a birch interior wood, aluminum clad on the inside. Standard in European window construction is the triple pane filled with argon gas. And for those of you not familiar with European window, they open two ways. So if you turn it horizontally, it's just a swing this way. And then if you turn it vertically, it's for air circulation that way. You got a little bit of glare here, so pardon my video taking, but just to educate you guys here quickly. And then again, I'm just gonna swing it open for 1 second so that you see the connection points. So here you have one connection point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have a few more on this side. So very tight, again, aluminum clad on the outside, very thick window frame in itself, or window pane. And then I just want to show you in here, I don't know if the glare will be able to see, you have your drainage. You have 1, 2, so they're spaced out about every 6 inches or so that for proper weatherproofing. And again, very standard with European construction where you have your aluminum pan, although this one feels more like a PVC, you can't really tell, but everything weather, super weather tight. And there you have it. That's your European window in a nutshell.